Hi, so I bought this product from Amazon and it's a very good buy. So like you can see, I've already made a 1000-piece puzzle here. This product comes with a mat, a rolling device and a few straps. Now I'll show you how it works and how effective it is. So you just pull this device as per the size of your puzzle. Okay, you start it from one side of the puzzle. And I have been doing it all through while making the puzzle. So we would feel that probably this might break the puzzle, but that's not true. I have rolled the puzzle here completely now, and then you can fasten the straps and just keep it away if you're busy, because I live in a small house and I cannot keep the puzzle open all the time. So whenever I have time, I again unroll it and make it again. So this is how you fasten it. And now I will show you what happens when we open this puzzle. So you remove the straps and then you start from one end here, and now you see, very gently just roll it back. And voila, nothing happened to the puzzle at all. It's as it is. And I have tried it when it was not made and it was into pieces, and it stays as it is. So I highly recommend this product, and it's cost effective and it's pretty good. Thank you.